Did you eat that fruit snack? That was for Mommy. You did? Can I have one?
No.
Oh man.
No.
Are they good?
Whoa.
You don't want to eat the crayon.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa. Careful. Oh, you're going to put them even farther away from Mommy? I see how it is.
Whoa.
Oh, is that one for Mommy? Oh. What? One at a time. Remember, you have to chew and swallow first. Are they good?
Oh. Oh.
Brayden, slow down. Don't be like your Uncle Brady. He was Brady Munch. Can you say Brady? Say Brady. Yeah, say I'm eating right now. You're eating.
Hello.
Oh yeah? Can you say hi?
Bye.
Hi. Say purple. Yeah, that is a purple crayon. Good job. Where's the blue crayon? Blue? Yes, that is the blue crayon. You're smart.
Yay.
Where's red? Red crayon? That's black? Where's red? There's red, yes. Brown. Purple. Orange. Yellow.
Brown.
Yellow. That's brown, yes, that's brown. And then blue. Are y'all done coloring? All done coloring? Say all done.
I die.
Good job.